County confirms a new case of the UK variant strain of COVID-19. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Angela Taylor. The health department says the patient is in isolation and contact tracers have notified everyone that person came in contact with. Now, this is the second case of the more contagious variant in North Carolina. The first case was reported in January, and the state confirmed a case of the South African variant on February 11th. Now, since the start of the pandemic, the goal's been to get the percent positive rate to 5% or less. And today, the state reported a 4.5% positivity rate. The only time it's been lower than that, May 1st. Now the goal is to keep that number low. So with COVID metrics dropping, the Durham Public Schools had a plan in place to return to in-person instruction. It involves some teachers returning to schools on Monday. But tonight, the board expressed concern and opted for more time, putting that plan in jeopardy. New at 11, CBS 17's Amy Cutler joins us live in Durham, getting answers about what exactly is going on here. Amy.
Angela, and this is going to be frustrating for a lot of parents and students. Much of the board's decision to resume in-person instruction was based on Senate Bill 37. With uncertainty tonight whether or not the governor will sign that bill, the board opted to wait and see. Durham Public Schools had been pushing forward with plans to resume in-person instruction. The superintendent providing an update on vaccinations. About 1,800 employees want a shot. He says about 1,000 of them will have one by Monday. They've got personal protective equipment and plans for social distancing. Still, the results of a recent survey show only about half of all families plan to send their child back for in-person instruction.
It's a lot. There's a lot. It's stressful, I can tell you that.
Antoinette King wrestling with that decision for her son Ramsey. Board members also concerned. With Senate Bill 37, a bill that would require districts to provide an in-person learning option looming, they voted last week to return. Elementary school students would be back in the classroom March 15th, middle and high schoolers April 8th.
When we're planning to open school in August, we have been putting these things in place.
Then tonight, an about-face. Board members saying teachers should be vaccinated first, that plans were rushed.
We picked this date because the General Assembly picked this date. This wasn't a Durham date.
Some teachers slated to return to school Monday, the board allowing them to be virtual Monday and Tuesday. They'll be closely watching if Governor Cooper signs that bill. It leaves parents like King with more uncertainty.
That's kind of like irritating.
Now, the board will meet on Tuesday to decide how best to move forward. One thing clear from tonight's public comment, parents and teachers want a plan in place. Live in Durham, Amy Cutler, CBS 17 News.